ATETI a mwoho wa Kenya Kwanza hamwe na principals a thukuru wa secondary wa Chania Boys na Thika High School nimoretie ATETI a mwena wa mung'ethaniro makorwo makirugamia maandamano maria makoretwo magithie na mbere guku bururi-ini kuona ni makoretwo makirehe hathara nene makiria muno kuri arutwo. Akiaria hindi ya muthi wa githomo tauni ya Thika, Julius Muraya uria ni principal wa Thika High augite aciari magiriirwo gukorwo mari kionereria kiega kuri ciana ciao kuona ciana ikofagia maundu maria aciari mareka mari moru kana mari mega. Miario ino ni iranyitirwo mbaru ni principal wa Chania Boys High School James Gitau.
We don't want to visit the reason why that violence is there, but we are saying it is going to affect our children, it is going to affect our students, and the future is such that this violence will be copied. I wish this can be discussed and be settled without being sprayed. I of course know the fourth estate is here and it is able to understand that whatever is being given out in the TV and other areas is actually getting into the children of this country, and therefore it is likely to have an effect in future.
Vile nilisikia wananchi wakisema na walimu wote wa Jamhuri ya Kenya wamesema ya kwamba wanataka kusoma, hawataki maandamano.
Ukiri uguo mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro uria niwe chairman wa guthondeka budget bunge-ini guku bururi-ini augite thirikari ni gutigirira aria mararurungana ni moerwo ikinya ria kiwatho.
Even our principals have requested, and they must listen to me very carefully. We are not going to allow any political thuggery. We are not going to allow any kind of demonstrations that are especially violent. We are no longer going to allow political blackmail. The Kenyan people spoke, and there is no other speaking that you are going to do.
So this is the time you have always been waiting for. So we don't want any interruption anywhere. Ya masomo kusikia kuna watoto wengine waendi shule kwa sababu barabara zimefungwa kwa sababu ya maandamano. Tunataka watoto wetu wapatiwe nafasi wafanye mtihani yao bila any interruption. Na mimi siwezi kataka anywhere. The people to whom I represent ndio wanachezewa na watu ambao watoto wao wako ng'ambo wanasomea huko.
Niongereire na akoria uria wari mutongoria wa bururi wa kana Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta akorwo akieherania na mirurungano eno. Hindi igongona riri thukuru iria iratongoretie ni irakorirwo igitugwo na iheo ngurani. Ngiribotera Njata TV kuma thukuru wa Chania Boys uria wita